flycatcher. This little guy may be, go ahead and watch for this little guy darting around wherever insects may be found. Listen for their song. It sounds like a zipper being zipped. Now please pause the video and answer the question in your science notebook. Press play when you're ready. Our next endangered or threatened species of Utah is the woundfin. Maybe hiding in the Virgin River. Watch for these minnows swimming in shallow waters. Be on the lookout for these silvery swimmers. Now please pause your video and answer the question in your science notebook. Our next endangered species or threatened animal in Utah is, that's it. My friends, nice job on investigating all of Utah's endangered and threatened species. Go through and double check your answers.